Welcome everybody. Today we will talking how to disassembly an initial look to the inverter useful model FU9000 SI auto solar pump drive. First, we disassembly this cover. Okay. Under this cover, we will see now the power, how to communication this inverter to the main use power or the generator with the RST. Then we will see the negative and plus from the solar, and the P1 is to breaker resistance, and we have the output UVW to the motor, 3 phases, and we will have as we see to ground. This is a control panel. It's communication by LAN cable, as we see. We have now to disassemble it. Under this we will see now the CPU board. In the CPU board we will have first the CPU as we see, and the small optical IC to driver or output or input output, and we have ULN and 2 relays and some jumper. We will talking about this in another video. For this output, how to use it and input. This board is communication by flat cable to the main board. Now we will see the main board. Main board, as we see the bar, we have RST. It's input by 3 power, as we see, to the main rectifier, 3 phase rectifier, as we see it, and we have the 2 cable, 2 communication of the solar and the breaker resistance. It's communication to board, another board is under this. That board have is capacitor. The rectifier have 2 cable. It's to control, and we have here the cable of the fan of the inverter. As we see the main circuit, look how it's collected to know where is the power circuit or the control circuit or the high output circuit. Under this we have the IGBT, the main controller. IGBT module is to drive the output. It's communication by this bar, as we see, to the output UVW. This is small is to measure the current in the every LAN, as we see. Look here, small resistance. This LAN is to control input or output from this small module, as we see. If we have any problem in this resistance, we cannot taking any reading from it. And this is a 2 bar to control the IGBT, as we see. This is information we're driving by the CPU board, and this is optical, and this is a ULN to control the module IGBT. Under this board we will have the capacitor board. We have to be carefully because sometimes the capacitor have a charge. We need to discharge before touch it. Now we will see how to test the rectifier by the avometer. In the avometer we have to put it on the diode tester. As we see, I will select the function to the diode. Then we will select positive or negative couple to see from the input or the output. Like this we will have no reading, not reading, because we are invert now the couple. Now we will have the open diode like this, 0.400, and from this point to this is a normal rectifier, 3-phase rectifier. Look, 0.465. We will talking about how to test every component controller, electronics, sorry, in the another video, and how to programming this is inverter, and how to reading the troubleshoots and the error code, and how to configuration the parameter of it. Thank you for your watching, and thank you for your time. If you have any asking or any question, please let me know in the comment, and goodbye.